Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. In this video, we are going to learn the easy trick to find the cube root of any number. We know the cube of small numbers like 1 cube equal to 1, 2 cube equal to 8, 3 cube equal to 27 and so on. And finally 10 cube is 1000. There is a shortcut formula to find the cube root of any number. That is cube root of A equal to cube root of B plus A minus B divided by 3 times cube root of B whole square. This is not a regular formula and not given in textbooks. We created this formula only for the shortcut method. Now let us find the cube root of 52. See the left side, here A value 52. B is the cube number nearest to A. So here A equal to given in question number, that is 52. B is nearest to A. So see the cube numbers. Here 64 is nearest to 52. So we take B equal to 64. And substitute in the formula, easily we can get the answer. Cube root of B is 64 plus A minus B, 52 minus 64 divided by 3 into cube root of B value 64 whole square. And cube root of 64 is 4 because 4 cube is 64. So this is 4. 52 minus 64 minus 12 divided by 3 into cube root of 64 is 4 whole square. Now we can cancel the number. 3 and 12 cancel 4 times and we can cancel 1 4 also. So finally we get 1 by 4 here. 1 by 4 is 0.25. So this is equal to 4 minus 0.25, which is approximately equal to 3.75. That is the answer. Next let us find the cube root of 150. Here compare with the formula. The given question is the number A. So A is 150. Now we have to take the number which is nearest to 150. See here 125 is nearest to 150. So A value 150, B value 125. And use the formula cube root of B 125 plus A minus B 150 minus 125 divided by 3 into cube root of B value 125 whole square. Cube root of 125 is 5 because 5 cube is 125. So we get this is 5 plus 150 minus 125, 25 divided by 3 into cube root of 125 is 5 whole square. We can cancel 25. 5 square is 25. So this 25 we can cancel. So we get 1 by 3 here. 1 by 3 is approximately 0.333 etc. So we can write 5 plus 0.33, which is approximately equal to 5.33. Similarly, we can find the cube root of any number using this shortcut formula. Thanks for watching.